Hi, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Have you ever gone to DoubleTree Hotel and when you're checking in, they hand you these cookies? Well, they actually shared the recipe with us, and so today I'm sharing that recipe with you. It's kind of a basic chocolate chip cookie recipe, but then they add in a couple of little twists, and they add way more chocolate chips than I would normally add, but they're quite delicious if you've ever had them at DoubleTree, and now you don't have to go to DoubleTree to get them. I have 2 sticks of butter, and this is an odd one. 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, plus a tablespoon. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. You gotta beat that up. 2 minutes. Okay, that's been 2 minutes. Now it says, this is kind of odd too, because you know how normally you add the eggs in one at a time? This just says add the eggs, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla. Low for 30 seconds, medium for 2 minutes. Okay, that's been the 30 seconds. Now I'm going to scrape down those sides. Now we're going to go medium for 2 minutes. Okay, that's been 2 minutes. Scrape the sides down again. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. A teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, just regular table salt, and a pinch of cinnamon. 1/2 cup of oats, just regular old oatmeal. Now it says this is to go on low for 45 seconds. Okay, that was 45 seconds. Now our dough is done. Just trying to scrape the whole bowl, making sure that everything gets incorporated. Now I'm adding 2 2/3 cups of chocolate chips, just semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 3/4 cups of walnuts. And you're supposed to stir these in by hand. It says to do these in 3 tablespoons, mounds of 3 tablespoons. This is like about a 2 tablespoon scoop, and I think 3 tablespoons is really big because this is pretty big. I don't know if you can tell how big that is. You can see my finger, and then it's a good size. So it's about 2 tablespoons. I actually measured it today to make sure. So I'm just going to do 2 tablespoons. And then it says that they need to bake for 20 to 23 minutes. So I'm going to take some time off of that because I'm making these a little bit smaller than what they said. But I think these are still going to be pretty good sized cookies. I'm not saying it's too much. It says 20 to 23 for the 3 tablespoons, and these are just about 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to cut it down to about 18 minutes and see what happens, but I'll let you know. Our DoubleTree Hotel cookies are done. They're pretty good size, right? Almost the palm of my hand. Nice and brown on the bottom. Right? You can't really taste the cinnamon too much. You can't really taste the lemon. Maybe a bigger pinch of the cinnamon would make a difference. I don't know, but they're excellent. I thought that was going to be too many chocolate chips. In my normal recipe, I used 2 cups, and this was almost 3 cups. But I mean, is there anything such thing as too much chocolate? Anyway, you can give these a try. I'm going to leave a link to the recipe in the description box so that you can make these yourself. I hope you try these at home, and I hope you enjoy them. And I hope if you want to see more videos from me, you will hit that subscribe button. You take care now.